Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pasquini espresso machine. Now this machine was brought to us because it was not heating up, and that was because the heating element basically died out. This is the older heating element of the machine, and as you can see it's really not in the best conditions. It's really it's just not working anymore. This is the connection to the back of the heating element, and yeah, it was best to replace this as it was not heating the machine. We also replaced the pressure side, the one that is located on the heating element. We replaced the shower screen, as you can see, very clogged, a lot of coffee in here. You can barely see through it. Gasket, completely, not even a gasket, just crumbles in here, it does not, it was just in bad condition. We also replaced one of the three-way sonobuds hoses. This one, as you can see, looks really bad as well, so we replaced it with a better one and a clearer one, and now it's inside the machine, as well as the new heating element and the new pieces. Once we had the machine on, the side glass was creating a leak, and it was a substantial leak on both of the entry points. We tried to remove this, but unfortunately it broke, so we replaced it with the side glass, and you can see the level right there, and you can see no leaks or anything, working perfectly fine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right current series of this machine, otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice flow coming out of the porta filter. Really good crema forming at the top of the machine. Looking really good. Let's stop it right there. There was on about back flushing properly. Really good shot of espresso coming out of this machine. Looking excellent. Let's put it right here. A steamer having excellent pressure coming out of the steam. Working really great. And having excellent temperature as well. And there you have it, Pasquini working once again. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.